Listen to me very carefully. We are being scammed. I used to think the US and Europe were the kings of the automotive world. I thought Tesla was the peak of technology and German luxury was untouchable. But after seeing what is coming out of China right now, I realize we are literally living in the past. While we are getting excited about heated seats and slightly bigger screens, Chinese automakers are putting 45-inch 8K displays, drones, and satellite connectivity into cars that cost less than a Toyota Camry. It is actually embarrassing how far behind we are falling, and nobody is talking about it. Today, I am showing you the top 5 most luxurious Chinese EVs that are about to shock the world. These aren't cheap knockoffs anymore. These are spaceships. We are talking about cars with screens that span the entire dashboard, headlights that can project movies, and luxury that makes a Rolls Royce look basic. I am not exaggerating. Car number 1 on this list has a feature so insane I didn't even know it was legal. If you're a US car owner, prepare to be jealous. Let's get into it.
Number 5. The Avatr 12. Bro, stop what you are doing and look at this car. This is the Avatr 12 and it has absolutely no rear window. I'm not saying it's small, I'm saying it's literally gone. They replaced the entire back glass with a high-def camera feed because apparently glass is for peasants. That isn't even the weirdest part. It features a customizable LED screen on the hood called the Halo display that actually talks to pedestrians. You can program it to say hello or display emojis to people you're about to gap at a stoplight. With a face that looks like a Daft Punk helmet and razor-thin daytime running lights that practically slice the air, this thing feels like it drove straight out of a cyberpunk glitch. Moving to the side, the Grand Coupe silhouette is so smooth, it looks like a bar of soap that costs $100,000. The traditional mirrors are gone, replaced by sleek camera stocks, and it rides on massive 21-inch turbine wheels designed to chop vegetables. The rear is the party trick, just clean bodywork and an active spoiler that pops up when you drive fast enough to get a ticket. Under the hood, a dual-motor setup pushes 578 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds with a 400-mile range on a massive CATL battery. It charges so fast at 800 volts that you can add 120 miles of range in the time it takes to grab a coffee. Safety-wise, it's a bodyguard with 3 LiDARs and a 360-degree shield that detects obstacles better than you can. Inside, a 35.4-inch 4K ribbon screen stretches across the entire dashboard, displaying info like a futuristic ticker tape, while the floating center screen runs Huawei's Harmony OS, snappier than any Chevy infotainment I've ever touched. The zero-gravity seats recline to align your heart with your knees. The electrochromic roof turns opaque at the push of a button, and the 27-speaker sound system will rearrange your internal organs. Despite having no rear window, the trunk is a huge hatchback that fits golf clubs easily. In China, this spaceship starts around $42,000. That's base Model 3 money for a car that looks like a UFO. Would you drive a car with no rear window, or is that too scary for you? Number 4 is the SUV brother, the Avatr 11. And if you thought the last one was weird, this one features an emotional intelligence tower called the Vortex right in the middle of the dashboard. It's a physical structure that lights up and pulses to the beat of your music and voice, making it feel like the car has a heartbeat. The exterior is pure aggression with super thin LED squinting eyes and a muscular coupe-like roofline sitting on massive 22-inch wheels. The rear is controversial, featuring a tiny upright vertical window that looks like a futuristic deck lid with an active spoiler. It shares the same monster DNA as the 12, with dual motors pushing 570+ horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of roughly 3.9 seconds on a 750-volt platform. It is covered in 34 sensors, including 3 LiDARs, allowing it to navigate complex city streets and spot pedestrians before you do. Inside, the symmetrical dash gives the passenger their own screen to watch movies, while Napa weather, open-pore wood, and suede make it feel like a boutique hotel. The rear seats even have massage functions, which is insane for an SUV at this price point. Speaking of price, it starts around $48,000 for a 750-horsepower luxury SUV. Does that Vortex dashboard creep you out, or is it the coolest thing ever? Number 3 is the Geely Galaxy E8, and it is here to humiliate every screen you own. Inside sits a single, solid 45-inch 8K screen that stretches from the driver's door to the passenger door, no seams, just glass. You can play video games on it in 8K while parked, or use the Yinhe cinema mode, where the ambient lights dim, the fragrance system sprays a scent, and the seats recline for a movie. The exterior is pure aggression, with super thin LED squinting eyes and a muscular coupe-like roofline sitting on massive 22-inch wheels. The rear is controversial, featuring a tiny, upright vertical window that looks like a futuristic deck lid with an active spoiler. It shares the same monster DNA as the 12, with dual motors pushing 570-plus horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of roughly 3.9 seconds on a 750-volt platform. It is covered in 34 sensors, including 3 LiDARs, allowing it to navigate complex city streets and spot pedestrians before you do. Inside, the symmetrical dash gives the passenger their own screen to watch movies, while Napa leather, open-pore wood, and suede make it feel like a boutique hotel. The rear seats even have massage functions, which is insane for an SUV at this price point. Speaking of price, it starts around $48,000 for a 750-horsepower luxury SUV. Does that Vortex dashboard creep you out, or is it the coolest thing ever? Number 2 is the AITO M9, built by Huawei, and it is basically a private jet on wheels. The wildest feature is a 32-inch cinema screen that rolls down from the roof for rear passengers, paired with headlights that are also projectors. You can literally park in front of a white wall and watch a movie projected by the car itself. It's a massive, two-toned luxury SUV over 5.2 meters long with nuclear submarine-grade steel armor. The powertrain offers a range extender option that can travel over 800 miles without stopping, meaning range anxiety simply does not exist here. The interior is a wall of pixels with a triple screen setup in the front and that laser-projected cinema screen in the back. The passenger seat has a queen mode with a pop-out footrest, while the center console hides a fridge capable of holding 6 bottles of champagne. With 27 speakers powered by Huawei sound and enough room for 6 adults to sit comfortably, this is the ultimate dadmobile. While it rivals a BMW X7 or GLS that cost over $100K, the AITO M9 starts around $65,000. It offers double the tech for half the price. Be honest, would you use the headlight projector to watch movies at a campsite, or is that just a gimmick? Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at car number 1, the Huawei Maextro S800. This isn't a car, it's a land yacht targeting Rolls Royce and Maybach. Its craziest flex is the crab walk capability, where the rear wheels turn heavily to let this massive 5.48-meter beast slide sideways into parking spots. The interior features a roofliner with thousands of fiber optic lights to mimic a starry night sky, and the pure electric version uses 3 motors to push 852 horsepower. It accelerates like a supercar while the suspension scans the road to adjust dampers milliseconds before you hit a bump, so you float rather than drive. Inside, it's a sanctuary of real wood, crystal, and silk. The rear angel seats are pillowy thrones that recline and massage you while you listen to a 43-speaker 3D immersive sound system. It even has a robotic arm port for charging, so you never have to plug it in yourself. While a Rolls Royce costs $400,000, the Maextro S800 is expected to be around $140,000. It's expensive, yes, but for a car that offers more tech than a Phantom, it's a steal. If you had $140,000, are you buying this Chinese ultra-luxury limo, or are you sticking with a boring old S-Class? Alright, that was the top 5. 5 Chinese cars that just made me question everything I thought I knew about automotive tech. Which one would you actually take home? Drop your pick in the comments. I need to see who's Team Avatar or who's balling out with the Maextro. Smash that like button if your jaw dropped even once, especially at that 45-inch screen. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next insane reveal, and ring that bell because next time we're checking out another car that'll make every US car owner a little jealous. Bro, I'm still shook. See you in the next one.